Welcome to an overview of the updated World History and Geography to 1500 resources produced by the Virginia Geographic Alliance. So I am on the Virginia Geographic Alliance resource page, and the address for the VGA website is vageo.org. And then I went to the World History page. So there's a series of materials here. First is an overview story map, and we'll look at that later. Second is a Flipsnack booklet that you can page through and look at the various pages and get a heads up of what's there. And third is a PDF version of the materials, all of them in one document. The tools for the Flipsnack are along the bottom. This is a slider that moves from page to page. This button allows download. This is for searching through the document. This reveals the table of contents. And most importantly is the full screen button. You should always view in full screen. So let's go for it. So here's my full screen, and I have the same tools. The slider bar. This time I've got a zoom in and out button, download, search, table of contents, and get out of full screen mode. So first I want to look at the table of contents. So the table of contents is an easy way to navigate through the booklet. So if I click on an item, it will take me to that page, and I could page through to other pages. And on this page, we have links to materials that support that specific question. And here are the SOL for these materials and agricultural in the Neolithic. So if I click on one, it will go to a map that shows agricultural limitations. And then I can use the table of contents to go back to some other pages. So that is a review of the materials. So I can now shut my table of contents, and we can look at another feature. And that is accessibility. So the AI in Flipsnack translated or summarized the information in the pages. It is not a word-for-word summary, it is generic, but what is most impressive, it even went and looked at the images and gave a description of them in words. If you want to have that information read out loud, you have to use a third-party reader. And that concludes. Oh, there's one more thing. You can download the PDF from the Flipsnack. That concludes our overview of the Virginia Geographic Alliance's Materials for World History 1.